Once regarded as relics of the past, classic cars are making a grand comeback through ingenious modifications. Take the iconic 1966 Mustang, transformed with a cutting-edge electric drivetrain, offering a blend of vintage charm and modern efficiency. Then there's the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, now featuring an advanced suspension system that enhances handling and ride quality, making it a joy to drive. These modifications not only boost acceleration and braking, but also enrich the overall driving experience. As these classics become personal canvases, they showcase a fusion of nostalgia and innovation, appealing to both the purists and the modern gearheads alike.